And my GoPro overheated, so this is probably going to end up in two different videos. This is the Harbor Freight trencher that I posted earlier that we was waiting on, and I had to go get some hydraulic oil and come back, and we had to wait on the driver to get here with it. He made it. He's early. I give Harbor Freight credit there. Everybody complains about their wait time. Mine was not supposed to even ship for 20 days. And I ordered it, it shipped, I received it in less than 7 days. This is kind of what it looks like, I guess, after we took it out of the crate. My audio has been messing up, by the way. Every time I use my phone, the audio does not do proper. So hopefully you can hear this and understand. We opened the crate and took it out. It was packaged really well. I have no complaints with the packaging. Everything looks good. We took it off the truck. We set it on a regular 1500 pickup truck, and we took it off piece by piece. And it really was not bad. I mean, it's heavy. It's better if you got some equipment to work with. But a lot of people says it took them about 8 hours to put this together. We have unpackaged it, set it on the ground, and already assembling. And we've been at it for maybe an hour. Maybe, I don't know, let's see, about an hour and 15 minutes so far. And once we get everything unpacked, I feel like it's going to go a lot faster. So far, I'm extremely happy with the machine. It looks really well. It looks built well. There's two welds on it that I'm not happy with. But it's okay. It's on a motor mount plate, so if it breaks, it won't be nothing to weld back on. And, of course, I got my son out here helping me. He was kind enough to take off work early and help me unload this thing off the semi onto my pickup truck. And as you can see, he's helping me put it together. So anyway, we're gonna get back at it, let that GoPro cool off a little bit, and I'll try to start it back up. That way you can kind of see the whole video. It'll take two videos to do it because the phone and my GoPro for some reason will not sync up on YouTube where I can use both of them in my editing software to merge these two videos together. We're gonna stop the camera for now and get back to work on this thing, and we'll give you an update in probably about an hour to see where we're at. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like it, hit that like button and subscribe, please. Thank you very much.